In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and let me show you how to make your phone number private on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then mark More icon and go to Settings. Settings, not Help and Feedback, Settings, and now select, just give me a sec, I cannot find it, calling accounts right here. Here, go to Carrier Call Settings, and pick Additional Settings. Here you will notice owner number, so just click here. And if you'd like to hide it, if you want to make your phone number private, just mark Hide Number. And that's it. From now on, your number will be hidden in all outgoing calls, so no one will see what your number is. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.